Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar CAD, I still think this is a downtrend. I think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, most likely a wave C. I think this first was down was the A. I think this is three waves up for an A, B, C, or B. I think we're going down probably to the 100% Fibonacci extension to make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still believe that this push down right here is a five-wave trend, a motive wave pattern for a wave one. I still think this push up is a wave two. We do have a pretty good looking bounce right here, so possibly this is already getting ready to go down for a wave three. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it kind of looks more like a WXY than an ABC, but if it is a WXY, that's fine by me. One, two, three waves up, one, two, three waves down, one, two, three waves up, and then impulsive down, right at a Fibonacci level. I think this is possibly a one, this is possibly a two, and we may already be in this wave three. And if that's the case, we definitely want to continue to look for shorts at the end of every single pullback that we see for the continuation of this downtrend, because this should be a wave three, and it has a long ways to go to the downside if it really is a wave three, just like I was showing on the weekly and monthly time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, this right here is very obviously a downtrend. I would call it either a wave one or a wave A. This has definitely already got a little bit of a three-way pattern up, and we do have a Fibonacci bounce. Kind of almost looks like it's trying to make a short right now for either a wave two or a wave B. Now, if this goes down like this and does not break structure and then turns back up, then you'll know it's a wave C. But on the other hand, if it goes down, breaks below these structures and holds below structure, then you'll know it's a wave three. Either way, it should make for a pretty good trade, and we just need to pay attention to structure, pay attention to price, and it should tell us whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave three. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I kind of think this does look like some sort of an ABC already. I think this may be turning right now. It looks like an A, it looks like a B, it looks like this is a little uptrend for the C. We got a 38.2% fib bounce. We got a nice impulsive move down. As long as this candle closes bearish like this, I think it's probably going to be an entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend for either a 1, 2, 3 or an A, B, C, just like I was explaining on the 4 hour time frame. As long as you're watching your structure, paying attention to price, you should be able to tell whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave 3 pretty easily. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.